In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage collaborators on your Wix website. This step-by-step guide will help you invite team members to work on your Wix site efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Wix.com. If you haven't already, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to this, just ensure that you've got your login details at hand and you'll be ready to access your dashboard in no time. Once you've logged in, you're going to look for the Settings tab on your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up a variety of options that relate to how you manage your site. Don't worry if you aren't familiar with all these options just yet. For now, our focus is on bringing collaborators to your team. Next, you'll need to locate and click on Roles and Permissions. This section is crucial because it allows you to specify what each team member can do on your site. Managing roles effectively ensures that everyone can work in their respective areas without overlapping responsibilities, maintaining a smooth workflow. Following that, you'll click on Invite Collaborators. This process is straightforward and intuitive. You'll see a prompt to enter the email address of the person you'd like to invite. Make sure to input the correct email, as this will be their key to accessing your site. After typing in their email address, it's time to assign a role to your collaborator. Wix offers several roles to choose from. The admin role grants full control, allowing the user to edit the site, manage settings, billing, and more. If you need someone to manage the content, you might consider assigning them as an editor, which allows them to edit the website using the Wix editor. Other options like blog editor, store manager, or marketing manager are available for individuals focusing on specific tasks. Assigning the right role ensures your team members have access to the areas they need without overwhelming them with permissions they don't require. Now that you've selected the appropriate role, you just need to click on Send Invite. This action will dispatch an email invitation to the designated collaborator. They'll need to accept this invitation to get started. Once they accept it, they'll be able to log in and begin working on your site, ready to contribute to your project's success. With these steps complete, you've successfully managed to invite a new member to your Wix site. Managing team roles and permissions effectively can greatly streamline your project's workflow and ensure that your team operates seamlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.